opinion, what is the best substitute for yogurt? The best substitute for yogurt depends on the purpose you need it for, whether it's for baking, cooking, or eating on its own. Here are some common and effective substitutes for yogurt. Dairy-based substitutes. 1. Sour cream *, works well in baking and as a topping. It has a similar tangy flavor and creamy texture. 2. Buttermilk *, great for baking. It's thinner than yogurt, so use slightly less than the amount of yogurt called for, or add a thickening agent like flour or cornstarch. 3. Cream cheese *, useful for thickening and adding creaminess in recipes, though it is richer and less tangy. 4. Milk with lemon juice or vinegar *, for every cup of yogurt, mix 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar. Let it sit for about 10 minutes until it thickens slightly. Non-dairy substitutes. 1. Coconut milk yogurt *, a good vegan alternative that has a similar consistency to dairy yogurt. It adds a subtle coconut flavor. 2. Almond milk yogurt *, another vegan option with a mild flavor that works well in most recipes. 3. Soy yogurt *, a versatile and popular non-dairy yogurt that can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. 4. Cashew cream *, blend soaked cashews with water until smooth to create a creamy, yogurt-like consistency. Add a bit of lemon juice for tanginess. 5. Silken tofu *, blend silken tofu until smooth and add a bit of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar for tang. It works well in smoothies, dressings, and baking. 6. Oat milk yogurt *, a relatively new option. Oat milk yogurt is creamy and has a mild taste, suitable for most yogurt uses. Other substitutes. 1. Applesauce *, works well in baking to add moisture. It doesn't provide the tanginess but can be a good replacement for texture. 2. Mashed banana *, also useful in baking for moisture and natural sweetness, though it adds a distinct banana flavor. When choosing a substitute, consider the role yogurt plays in your recipe or dish, whether it's for moisture, tanginess, creaminess, or a combination. Adjust the quantities and other ingredients as needed to achieve the desired taste and texture.